You know, I kind of want to question the savagery that the early pioneers attributed to the Native Americans. I mean, it's strange. Uh, I look at Native Americans and I see a lot of peaceful people, and to think that they were complete savages ripping apart any pioneers they came across is a little harder to believe. It's just a little harder to believe. And you know how fake news is out there. You wonder what stories really could have been exaggerated from people. How credible are the storytellers? All right, St. Johns Wort is flowering this time of year. I'll take a couple. Not even be, yeah. I'll take a couple flowers. I don't want to be too photosensitive. So I'm just running through here picking blades of grass and whatever I can find. I'm thinking I need a container that I can fit my whole hand in so I can stuff things down. I am tired of the peanut containers. Come on. What is this? So the entrance to the Lookout Mountain's looking pretty good. I don't know why there's a gate there. People are going in. So there's, oh, they provide tunnel light. So there's cows over there. That's probably why there's a gate there, so cows don't come on into the city. You gotta climb the gate or something. But what's really nice about this is there's water. There's like really nice water source, tap water to drinking. So, and then the Safeway's not far, of course. Not sure how long it'd take to get to the top, but it looks very attractive here. This water source has some kind of a PSI, and obviously it's not zero, so there's water coming in, and it's very nice water. This is good water here, good mountain water, I suppose. Pretty simple rules too. Here I've been planning to get water from Safeway. I'm like, okay, I gotta empty out my 3 bottles to refill at Safeway. And then I'm like, wait a second, there's water right here. Liars. So I could pretty much call my 3 pounds of wild blueberries, oh, triple berry, yeah, I thought I got, of triple berries, sweet ice. So it's got to keep things cool in here. It's got to keep the milk cool. Get sweet ice. There's not enough tunnels that go underneath highways. Lookout Mountain Park. Livestock at large. So the cattle share this. You would walk between them. Alright, I hope none try to kill me. I think this is the trail I want to go on. And they're all over here. I might be wrong. It's either the center over there, or I follow, but I mean the cows made this path. Oh no. Yeah, it continues on, going up that ridge, some kind of a trail. I got a pile of cows blocking my trail. It's 2 doing their own thing. There's a lot of babies, so they might try to protect their babies. Uh-oh, I'm a little nervous. This isn't really a fence. This is too dangerous for the cows. Over here, they go walk over the fence and get tripped up on it. Yeah, there's a gate. There's a gate around them. They're blocking my access to the gate. Earlier today, they were over there. And then they all come over here. Fresh cow pie. God, they're blocking my gate. They're actually blocking my gate. There's an aggressive one coming at me, standing in between the babies. Yep. Okay, we're good. Oh, he's pooping. He's marking us. Yeah, I'd go over that way. They're blocking my gate. Hey, let me just get over this way. Coming this way. Coming this way. Is that okay? Okay. Okay, we're good. We're good. He's stepping at me. I'll just climb. I'll climb this. All right, we're good, right? You're not gonna charge at least. Oh, he's okay. Can I come? Is that cool? He's walking away. I'm coming now. Just want to go over. Just want to go over. We cool? Yeah, they're females. You wanna? I'm gonna go over here. Okay. Right here. Oh, there's a baby right there. They're gonna be protecting us. Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 That one is now mounting another. I just want to take this gate right here. Okay. Just this. Okay, I'm going on this gate. All right. Okay, just right here. Just right here. All right, cool. Thank you. All right. We're good. Yep, we're cool. Thank you. I think I want that trail. I don't know about this one. So leaving the cows behind. They're all huddled over there. They actually have access to this pasture too. It's getting steep. A couple different rose colors, dog rose colors on the red earth trail. I'll have a taste of each. Yum, 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 yum. Deeply rooted trail, probably from flooding. Climbing to the top of Lookout Trail. All right, I have to remind myself what the leaves of the echinacea look like. I'm looking at a long leaf here. The top looks like a echinacea, very close. Oh my God, there's ants! What the? Must be a lot of nectar. All right, pretty decent trail here. I just want to get off of it. I'll have to check for ticks. I don't know what that is, but I'm coming over here because I don't know what that is. I'm pretty darn sure this is a milk thistle. It just needs more time. That's a heck of a spiny plant, and I'm sure it's milk thistle. Get those big seeds. All right, the heat is really getting to me this time. I was hoping to come up here and maybe relax in some shade somewhere. I also just want to say I'd rather be getting these. I've been picking these. They covered my whole leg. Picking these sticky things. I walk off the trail a short distance. You walk off the trail the short distance and get covered. You got to look for them. I did see them. I just kind of ignored them though. But I'd rather be picking those off than ticks. Yeah, very steep. I'm fighting to try to keep cool and also against the steepness. I brought the drone. Interested in flying. That's a driving road. Not used much. I want to be at the highest end. Although way up there, I'd have to go down to go back up to get to that higher peak. They got like electricity lines, so that's probably why they want to have some way to drive around here. Okay, actually getting over to that high peak doesn't look like it goes down at all. Just a little bit closer inspection will confirm that. Pony Express Tech Essence. I just want to get a closer look at this. I suspect that's hemlock. Okay. I suspect it's poisonous. Alright, there's some motherworts towards the top of this peak. It's kind of neat to see. I should probably gather some. I don't have anything to put it in. I didn't think to bring a container. I knew I wanted to hold that option.